we went out to go and do our first meeting with Ty, who plays Rosie, and we went out to her little elephant house, and it was one of the most incredible experiences I've ever had, and I just thought, well, if nothing else, I get to work with Ty for 3 months, so like that's one of the biggest deals. And Francis seemed really cool. Then I heard that Riz and Kristof were doing it, and I was like, okay. And like a million other Oscar winners and stuff. I love the period too, so it seemed like a win-win situation to me. Malena, Džejkob sees, I think, within the first day of being there, and I think it's one of the main reasons he wants to stick around. She's the star attraction at the circus, and he notices not only the fact that she's incredibly beautiful and charismatic and stuff, but she seems to share a sort of bond in her relationship with the animals around her that he feels he has as well, and I think he's impressed as well as feeling connected to her. Whenever she was on set, I don't know, she just creates an aura around everybody, and a sort of just calm, and you know, you can stand next to an elephant, it seems like nothing else matters in the world. It's I think that's how Džejkob feels about Rosie as well. He falls in love with her at first sight. I mean, she just seems kind of magical to him, and she doesn't see herself as that at all. She sees herself as just a complete, like a workhorse. I mean, that's it. And I think there's nothing, there's no fantasy in life at all, and he just refuses to see her as anything else other than this complete fantasy figure. And it never ends throughout his entire life, which is the sweet thing about him. But I think the problem with Džejkob is that August kind of believes in him too, and wants him to be part of his life, and he wants him to stay, and so he lets him in too far into his life. It's not just a stable boy or something, and trusts him, and so when he sees Džejkob betraying him, it's a genuine betrayal. He knows it's not just in his mind, and it's worse because of that.